There's a hidden sea cave inside a British seaside town that most people walk straight past. Just up the road, a 2,000-year-old Roman fort where soldiers stood guard on the edge of the Hadrian's Empire. This is South Shields, and it might be the most underrated coast town in Britain. Just how cool is this cave? It's really cold as well in here, which is a great contrast from being outside. It's really hot out there still. This is our bear, a Roman fort bang in the middle of a seaside town. So this fort was a supply base for Hadrian's Wall nearly 2,000 years ago. Let's go and have a look round. This is pretty scary stuff. What on earth is that? Is it a well? Dungeon. It looks scary.